In this session, we will learn about the official development environment that we use for this course. We already understand that to tell the computer what to do, we need to write the instruction using programming language. In our case, is Python. The question is, where to write the program? Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is a software package that facilitates the computer program development. It is a text editor application used to write, run, and debug the code of your program. There are many available IDE for Python, such as Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Spider, and more. For our course, we choose Jupyter Notebook as our main IDE. Jupyter Notebook is a server-client application that allows you to write, run, and debug your code using web browser. It is widely used for scientific computation, such as in the field of data science, due to simplicity, ease of use, and lightness. In the next session, we are going to learn how to install Jupyter Notebook and Python into your system.